Hi, welcome to my gardens. This is Spenta, and today I have some seed saving tips for you. This is my broccoli plant, and I have some very good seed pods here. These are dry seed pods that if I grab from here, I have six broccoli seeds right here, and lots of bees and butterflies all over the place because this broccoli has lots of flowers. It flowers, then it turns into seed pods. It's important to save seeds from your vegetables because this way you save money and you don't have to make more trips to the store. You could just have more seeds at home. So I planted this broccoli out of season on purpose. This is summer 2021, and I wanted to have some seeds for the fall and for the upcoming spring. So I decided I had some space, therefore I decided it would be a good place to plant some broccoli. Broccoli is not a fan of heat. And as I mentioned, this is July 2021 and it's hot. Some seeds that are dry are ready to be harvested. I will take them it's smart to take them at this moment, only the dry portions, by cutting from this area right here. Right here, the cutting should be around right here. So you can save the rest of this for your bees and butterflies, as pollinators are great to have in your gardens. I love gardening. This is Spenta. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell. Have a beautiful day and happy gardening, friend.